And in fifth news, direct-to-consumer health supplement products are getting positive traction with VC funding when safety concerns are equally rising. A decade ago, India's health supplements mostly meant vitamin C, iron and B12 tablets purchased at pharmacies after consulting a doctor. When the supplements wave in India surged by increased health awareness after COVID-19 pandemic and powered by social media influencer marketing, which was eventually became a preferred business model for startups with a rush of venture capital showing their interest in this segment. The supplement products are being sold directly to consumers on e-commerce websites as well as quick commerce apps. In this fast-growing segment within the health sector, when most of the items are sold over the counter with no prescription, no pharmacist, and often no clarity on whether they actually work or not. India's nutritional supplement industry was at $47.92 billion in 2024, which is projected to expand to $68.43 billion by 2030 at a compound annual growth rate of 8.1%. And this growth story has attracted both founders and venture capitalists. When after seeing good acceptance from the audience and more usage of digital platforms, e-commerce and quick commerce to buy such products, brands started experimenting with their offerings. And with this trend, some health professionals are beginning to worry that the focus is shifting from effectiveness to aesthetics. As the wellness sector is booming in India, which is why a lot of companies are getting a lot of VC funding, and the founders are using a lot of that funding to basically not to work so much on the formulation but more on the marketability of a product. However, the marketing-first approach leads to many consumers buying the products without understanding them and sometimes overusing them, which is creating a reason to worry. As most supplement products in India fall under the purview of the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India and not the drug regulator. That means weaker scrutiny and lighter penalties despite brands making bold claims like improves liver health or reverse aging. With the rising trends of these kinds of false commitments, an interministerial committee headed by former Health Secretary Apurva Chandra recommended that any supplement claiming to treat or mitigate a disease should be classified as a drug, and that would bring such products under the Central Drug Standard Control Organization and subject them to stricter regulation.